14. The distance between the point. Already told you, many times told you, same formula using again and again. So this point I have taken A, whose coordinate are A cos theta plus B sin theta, comma 0. These are the coordinate of this point. And another point B, whose coordinate are 0, A sin theta minus B cos theta. Distance you have to find out. So distance we can find out by using distance formula. AB equal to OB minus OA, which is equal to under the root OB, this 0 minus this 0 minus A cos theta plus B sin theta. So this we can take like this and then this square plus A sin theta minus B cos theta minus 0. It's also whole square. So find out. It's meaning you have to find out what? What you have to find out? Minus A cos theta minus B sin theta whole square. Right or wrong? Understood? Just calculation. Plus A sin theta minus B cos theta whole square. Find out. A, B. So what's it's become? A square cos square theta plus B square sin square theta plus 2 AB sin theta cos theta. This is first one. Now this A minus B, A square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta minus 2 AB sin theta cos theta. This. So check one time, this is negative, this is positive, remaining same, so cancel out. So how can I write? This I have written like this. A square cos square theta plus A square sin square theta plus B square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta. This what I have taken common? A square I have taken common. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. This I have written first. B square sin square theta plus cos square theta. This is equal to 1. So what's it's become? Under the root A square plus B square. So distance how much? Under the root A square plus B square. So what's your answer? This.